Before anything else, notice how loud the day feels. Not the sound themselves, but the sense of volume inside. There is no need to silence anything, just allow the volume to turn down slightly. This is a quieting, not a shutdown. Notice one steady element right now, not a continuous sound, a stable surface, a feeling that does not change quickly. Let that steadiness exist in the background, without focusing on it too hard. Become aware that breathing continues, not as a pattern to track, but as a motion that does not require attention. The breath keeps moving even when awareness drifts. You can let it stay that way. If thoughts are crowded, let them spread out a little. No need to follow any single one. No need to push them away, like noise at a distance. They can exist without pulling you in. Allow awareness to rest with the quieter parts of the moment, the pauses between sounds, the space between movements. Quiet does not need effort, it appears when pressure eases. There is nothing more to guide. Let the sound continue. Let the quiet deepen on its own. You do not need to return to full volume yet. Carry this quiet with you in whatever way feels natural.